Hey y'all, just checking in at the end of the day, showing you what my face looks like after cooking, laughing, having a great time with my family, enjoying my Mother's Day. It's about 9, 10 o'clock. My eyes are burning because I'm tired, but I was cooking these steaks by Alton Brown. So check his recipe out on Food Network, and they're amazing. They're pan-seared steaks, but you have to cook them 500 degrees, cast iron, smoke was all over. And I and I'm just surprised when I came back up to wash this off. I assumed all my makeup was gone, but it is still on my face. Of course my lipstick's gone, but everything else for the most part is intact and actually really held up, and I was wiping my face a lot. So I just wanted to show you that these products are the truth. These drugstore products are the truth. So check out my everyday beginner-friendly makeup tutorial so you can see the products that I used to achieve this look. And then I am going to bed because obviously you can tell I'm super tired. So this coronavirus has us moms in the kitchen. So next year, hopefully we can go out and someone else can cook for us. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Happy Mother's Day to all the women who love like moms. Hope you're having a great night, and I'll see you in the next one.